How are you, learners? I hope you are doing fine. Welcome to our today's mathematics lesson. In our today's lesson, we are going to do more exercises on counting backwards in twos. That is what we did in our last lesson. In this lesson, we will work out more examples here on the board. Then at the end of this lesson, I'll give you further exercises. I'll give you more exercises. So, welcome to the lesson. And the first question, learners, we'll do two examples. The question is, count backwards in twos and write the missing numbers. Learners, count backwards in twos and write the missing numbers. A, 388, 386, dash, dash, 380, dash, dash, 374. B, 695, 693, dash, dash, 687, dash, dash, 681. We are going to count backwards in twos and write the missing numbers. In A, there are missing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. In B, there are 4 missing numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. Where there is a dash means there is a missing number. So we are going to answer A first. And you can see this is counting backwards from 388 to 374. There are numbers between 388 and 374. Starting from 388, counting backwards in twos, we have 388, 386, then dash. So learners, how do we fill these gaps? So let's answer the question. We are going to have a working. I'm going to show you how to answer this question. And if you attended our last lessons, learners, you should be able to follow what I'm going to show you in this lesson. You can see, learners, here we are counting backwards from 388 to 374 in twos, counting backwards in twos. So learners, I'm going to rewrite this number in ones moving forward. Forward in ones starting from 374. 374. So I have 380, 374, 374, 375, 376, 377, 378, 379, 380, 81, 382, 383, 384, 385, 386, 387, 388, 388. So learners, I have written numbers from 374 to 388 moving forward in ones. Then we will use these numbers to write the missing numbers, because we need to count backwards from 388. Backward from 388. We want to count in twos. Backwards in twos. Backward in twos from 388. So we are going to begin from 388, learners, the way we did in our last lesson. We move 2 times, 1, 2. So when you move 2 times backwards from 388, you get 386. And you can see that's what we have here. Then what is the missing number here? We come to 386 and move back 2 times, 1, 2. We get the number 384. Therefore, learners, the missing number here is 384. 384. We again move 2 times back, that is 1, 2. 1, 2. The next number is 382. So the missing number here will be 382. 382. Then moving back 2 times, 1, 2, we arrive at 380. But you can see, learners, this 380 is not missing. So we skip it. We look for the next missing number from 380 here. From 380 we go back 1, 2. This number is 378. So the missing number after 380 is 378. How about the next missing number? We come to 378 and move 2 steps back, 1, 2. 1, 2. The next missing number is 376. This is 376. 376. Then moving back again, 1, 2. We come back to 374, which we have here, 374. But this 374 is not missing. So learners, you can see we have answered A. What was the question? Count backwards in twos and write the missing numbers. So we have written the missing numbers. Counting backwards, learners, from 388, the next number is 386, 384, 382, 380, 378, 376, then 374. We have answered A. Now I want us to answer B. Count backwards in twos and write the missing numbers. And write the missing numbers. B. The first number is 695, 693, dash, dash, 687, dash, dash, 681. Just the way we did the first one. In B, we are going to write these numbers from 681 to 696, moving forward in ones. That is step number 1. So we will start with 681. So I'll come here and write 681, 681, 682, 683, 684, 685, 686, 687, 688, 689, 690, 691, 692, 693, 694, then 695. We have written the numbers in ones from 681 to 695. After doing that, we are going to move backwards to count backwards from 695. This 695, we are going to count backwards in twos, backwards in twos. We are going to count backwards in twos, starting from 695. 695. So in twos, we move 2 times from 695, 1, 2. 1, 2. The first number here is 693. You can see, learners, 693 is not missing. So we will move on to the next number which is missing. We come to 693 and move back how many times? 2 times. 1, 2. What number do we get? 691. So we go to the question and insert 691. The next number is missing, so we go to 691 in our working and move 2 times. 1, 2. The next number here is 689. So I come here and write 689. Are you following, learners? Make sure you are following. The good thing about video, you can go back. If I'm talking very fast, you can rewind and listen again. So learners, I am at 689. The next number is not missing, but moving back 2 times, we come to 601, 2, 687. This one is not missing. So we look for the next missing number, move 2 steps back, 1, 2, 2 steps back. The number is 685. So I come here and write 685. The next number is missing. We go to our working at 685. In our working, we move 2 steps back, 1, 2. We get 683. 683. Learners, there is no any other missing number. But if you are just to go back, you'll find that we'll arrive at 681, which is provided in the question. So learners, we have answered the question. What was the question? Count backwards in twos and write the missing numbers. In B, we started from 695, 693, 691, 689, 687, 685, 683, and lastly 681. Have you understood? That will mark the end of our today's lesson. I want to give you an opportunity to practice. I'm going to give you a task. I'm going to give you a task. This is your task. I want you to work out that assignment. count backwards in twos and write the missing numbers. A, 200, 198, dash, 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 190. B, 311, 309, dash, 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 301. That is your today's homework. Thank you, learners. I'll see you in our next lesson. Bye-bye.
Thank you for choosing to study with us. For more information, you can call us on 0724 173845.